Hello dear students, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. In the last lecture we studied up to the topic same after half term of chapter 5. And today we will continue with the practice time. Now practice time. First one, find out which letters in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. So alphabets are, how many alphabets are there? From A to Z? 26. And you have to state here which letter in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. See here, if you give half a turn to this alphabet A, it will look like this. That means it will not look the same after half a turn. B also will not look the same. So if we give half a turn to B, it will look like this, and if we give half a turn to C, it will look like this, and if D is there, it will look like this D. E also. So children, which are the letter which will look the same after half a turn? So these letters are H. H, it will look same after half a turn. H, then I, then N, O, S, X and Z. So in the English alphabet, these letters look the same after half a turn. And now here question number 2, which of these English words read the same on half a turn? So here zoom, M will become W, O will remain same, and Z will also remain same, but here M will become W, so it will be read as wooz. So this will not read the same on half a turn. Then MOW, W will become M, O will remain same, and M will become W. That means MOW, it will become MOW, so it reads the same on half a turn. Then swims, here S will become S, M will become W, I will become I, and W will become M, and S will S. So this will also read the same after half a turn. SIS, S will become S, I will also same, then S will also remain same. That means this all will remain same after giving half a turn. So this will read the same on half a turn. And known, this will also read the same on half a turn. Now question number 3, give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which of them still looks the same. So here I have written the numbers from 0 to 9. 0, if we give half a turn to this number, it will remain same. 0 will remain same. Then 1 will also remain same if we do only like this vertical line. It will also remain same. 2 will not remain same. 3 also not. 4, it also not remain the same. It will this 5 will also not look the same. This also not look the same. 8 will look the same after giving half a turn. So which number looks the same after giving half a turn? So we can say that 1, 0, 1 and 8. This number looks the same after giving half a turn. Now question number 4, think of all 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers which look the same on half a turn. And now we are finding out 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers which look the same on half a ton. So 1, 1 and 8, 8. Here 101, 111, then 181, 808 and then 818. We can make the 3 digit number from 0, 1 and 8 only because they will look the same after giving half a ton. Then 4 digit number 1001, 1111, then 1881, then 8008, 8118 and 0888. Now let's move on to the next page. Here question number 5. Which among the following pictures will look the same on half a ton? So children, observe this picture and can you answer? Which among the following pictures will look the same on half a ton? First picture. Will it look the same on half a ton? Yes, because all sides are equal. So it will look the same on half a ton. Second one, it will not look the same on half a ton. It will change. So, no. Third picture, will it look the same on half a ton? Yes. Now this picture, no. This will not look the same on half a ton. This will also not look the same on half a ton. Here all the sides are equal. So it will look the same on half a ton. Then this picture, this will not look the same on half a ton. This will look the same on half a ton, because if we give half a ton to this picture, and this pink part will come down and this pink part will go up. That means it will remain same. So here 4 pictures will look the same on half a ton. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now children, here is activity time. Have you ever seen a windmill? What is it used for? So children, if you have seen a windmill, you can say, yes, I have seen a windmill. But do you know what is it used for? It is used to generate electricity. It is also used for pumping water, grinding grains, street lights, etc. Now let us make a toy windmill. So these are the steps. Using this step, you can make a toy windmill. So children, last year I had given this windmill as a project work and some students have made it very nicely. So you can also try yourself and do this activity. Now here question are, does your windmill look the same on 1/4 of a ton? So children, let me explain what is 1/4 of a ton. As for example, suppose this is a clock. So turning from 1 to 3 means here. From 1 to 3, that means it is 90 degree. So turning on 90 degree or turning from 1 to 3, it is 1/4 ton. This is 1/4 ton. And turning from 1 to 6 full, it is half a ton. Now question is, does your windmill look the same on 1/4 of a ton? So moving from here to here, will it look the same? Yes, it will look the same on 1/4 of a ton. And then question is, does it look the same on half a ton? Discuss. If this windmill turn on half a turn. That means from here to here. This is turning on 90 degree and this is turning on 180 degree. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. That means half a turn is equal to 2 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn, then 1/4 turn. So it will look the same on half a turn. Here is shown one picture how this man turning on 1/4 turn from 1 to 3. That means look horizontal. Now topic is 1/4 turn. So I have already explained to you what is 1/4 turn. This we can say 1/4 turn and this we can say half a turn. So does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? That means moving from, that means it will look the same. Here given practice time A. Among the following shapes, find out which ones would look the same after 1/4 turn. Put a tick mark. So we have to observe this all the picture and we have to find out which ones would look the same after 1/4 turn. Put a tick mark, means right sign, and put a wrong sign on the shape that will not look the same after half a turn. So first we have to observe this all the picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then we have to put tick mark. So children, here I will write first answer for 1/4 turn and then second answer for half turn. So first one, will this triangle look the same on 1/4 turn? No, because it will look like this. See, moving on 90 degree, means from here to here, like this. So no, and it will not look the same after half a turn also, because after half a turn means moving from here to here, turning from here to here. That means it will look like this. So this is also wrong. And this second one, it will not look the same on 1/4 turn, because this vertical line will become horizontal. So wrong. And it will look the same on half a turn, because from here to here, 180 degree from here to here, it will look the same after half a turn. Here third one, will it look the same after 1/4 turn? No, because this color will be changed after 1/4 turn, and it will look the same after half a turn, because this top part will go bottom side and bottom part will go up side. That means it will look the same after half a turn, and here all the sides are same, so it will look the same on 1/4 turn and half a turn. Here also this color will be changed after 1/4 turn, so it will not look the same after 1/4 turn, but it will look the same on half a turn. Here these all sides are equal, so it will look the same on 1/4 turn and half turn. Here this will not look the same after 1/4 turn, but it will look the same after half a turn, and this will look same after 1/4 turn and after half a turn, because here all the sides are same. Now question B, try and change the shape in such a way that the new shape remains the same on giving it half a turn. So we have to make some changes in this shape. So here 3 blades I have drawn and color yellow. So if I will give half a turn, it will look the same, means it will remain the same on giving it half a turn. Here I have drawn this blue circle to make it remain the same on giving it half a turn. Same circle you should draw here, and here also I have drawn this orange circle to make it remain the same on giving it half a ton, and here we have to draw the shape like this to remain the same on giving it half a ton, and here it will be same on half a ton. Children, you have to write some questions which are easier to draw in your notebook and some you have to write in your textbook. Thank you.